Trunk diameter is 54 centimeters.
Recorded, moving to the next tree.
Let's check the canopy density here.
Steady, bring it down.
All right, bring it in, stack them by bay 4.
In this mill, computerized saws with absolute accuracy. Skilled operators guide the machinery to maximally cut, transforming raw timber into valuable wood.
Every single cleft is carefully inspected. Only the perfect grain patterns are selected. Quality is never compromised here. Inside this massive warehouse, tradition meets precision. Thousands of willow clefts air dry naturally. It's a slow process, essential for the perfect bat. Here, patience is as important as skill.
This batch meets our strict moisture standards. Proceed with packing.
Extreme precision guides every cut. Robotic blades refine the wood to a fraction of a millimeter. This is where technology meets human skill.
Every premium handle is precisely fitted. This creates the perfect bond. It ensures maximum power.
This one has exceptional balance.
This has to be perfectly smooth.
Precision is the heart of our process. Every fiber is etched with absolute digital accuracy, defining the future of the game.
Precision requires both art and science. Every premium label is perfectly aligned. Flawless execution every single time.
Make sure there are no bubbles left.
Precision is key in industrial assembly. Compressed air allows for a perfect fit. It creates a seamless and durable bond. This ensures maximum safety and reliability.
You have to keep the tension consistent.
Every masterpiece requires a final touch.
This oil brings out the wood's true soul, protects and enhances the grain. You can really see the difference.
Delivering a flawless, mirror-like finish.
This unit meets every specification. Proceed with the next batch.
Copy that. This one hits the target. 31 ounces, right on the money. Every ball must yield a perfect bounce. Only the finest pass this test.
Every prototype is pushed to its absolute limit, sustaining thousands of high-velocity impacts. Only the strongest designs will survive.
You can't rush this process. Every strike builds resilience. Every grain has to be perfectly aligned.
Make sure the logo faces up.
Efficiency defines the modern facility. Every package is tracked with absolute precision. Seamless automation drives global logistics. This is the future of manufacturing.
Precision is the backbone of global trade. Every container connects a local factory to the world.
Crafting a premium cricket bat takes precision. From the factory floor, they begin their global journey, carried across oceans to players worldwide.
From the finest English willow, performance is meticulously crafted to dominate the crease. From the quiet of the forest to the thunder of the stands,